The human mind has three distinct ways of struggling with focus. First, our minds are frequently filled with disturbing thoughts and are often concerned about not being good enough. Second, rather than working with what we already know, we always think about what we want to accomplish. Finally, we are annoyed by our lack of time. People of all ages and walks of life struggle to maintain focus. Distractions abound in today's world, with new technologies and life getting more hectic as we age. Here are some pointers to help you focus more easily. Number 12. Use the 2-minute rule as a guide. Do that task right now if it will take less than 2 minutes to complete. Please don't put these small activities off till later, and don't put them at the bottom of your to-do list. Just take 2 minutes and do it. Doing it may seem like an obvious thing to do, but many people overlook it, and those minor tasks that you choose to ignore may become a source of distraction when working on more time-consuming tasks. You might be surprised at how much you can get done in a few minutes, such as writing an email or cleaning your desk. Number 11. Recognize your personal working style. Determine where you are most productive, whether it's at home in your corner office or at a coffee shop while listening to music through headphones. For others, complete quietness and working alone may be the best option. To complete focused work, you must first understand and embrace your work style and the styles of people who work with and for you. Create time blocks that let you and others take advantage of the ideal to do crucial, concentrated activities as quickly as possible. Number 10. Choose the time of day that's best for you. Finding out when you're most productive is just as crucial as figuring out where you're most productive. Early in the morning, some people are highly productive and mentally sharp. Determine when you are most likely to be focused, or at least likely to be easily distracted, and schedule chores that will demand mental toughness during that time. Allowing yourself some do not disturb time will help you get through your work faster. Inform your coworkers that you will be unavailable for meetings or appointments during this period. Cutting out focus time reduces interruptions and allows you to work more intensely. When you categorize your time, your brain is able to isolate a task, allowing you to focus entirely on that activity without being distracted by something else. And remember, if you're ready to embrace a hyper-focused mind, my number one recommendation in the description will definitely help you. Number 9. Set realistic goals. Organize your day by splitting it into goals, each with a distinct purpose. Consider this a detailed to-do list of everyday tasks that have been prioritized. Keeping a to-do list is the simplest and most effective way to ensure that you stay focused and productive. Set realistic goals for each day. To get organized, all you need is a pen and paper or even a smartphone app. Although, because you're immediately thinking of everyday activities on your to-do list, it could be difficult. However, these objectives should also contain things that will help you become a better person, manager, entrepreneur, or leader in general. The most successful people begin each day by focusing their thoughts on something that will improve them. What will help you grow, give you more energy, make you happy, and prepare you for a successful day. Number 8. Avoid multitasking and concentrate on one task at a time. A majority of people continue to believe that multitasking is the best way to get things done. Multitasking, on the other hand, is harmful to our brains, according to a study. You end up dividing your attention among several tasks, losing your focus, reducing the quality of your work, and taking longer to achieve your objectives. You only have so much time and energy, and you almost certainly never have enough of either to get everything done that you think you need to do every day. What you need to do is prioritize the tasks that are most important to you. Not everything on your to-do list needs to be done right now. Even though some of us understand that multitasking isn't a good idea, we nonetheless find it difficult to quit doing it. There seems to be too much going on for us to concentrate on just one issue. Mentally focused persons are capable of breaking down an enormous task into smaller portions. They do so, though, by knocking down one thing at a time before moving on to the next. Take a few moments to think about what your most important task is, your MIT. Your most important task is the most important thing you need to do right now, so get it done first. Even if nothing else is accomplished at the end of the day, you'll know it was a productive day since you completed your most important duty. It's a no-brainer to start your day with the most significant and most critical task. Your energy level is at peak in the morning and plummets after you return from lunch.